we have the unveiling footage of the Mercedes-AMG GT R PRO. But before we watch the unveiling, let's go over some details of the vehicle. Designed to enhance performance at the track, this Pro model was developed as an extension of the brand's GT3 and GT4 race efforts. It gets updates to the suspension and powertrain while gaining a whole slew of aero bits and pieces for the exterior that help it cut through the wind and make it immediately recognizable as something special. Under the GTR Pro's hood is a modified version of the automaker's 4.0-liter twin turbocharged V8 engine. Power is pushed to a 577 horsepower and 516 foot-pounds of torque. That's enough power to accelerate this monster from 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds and onto a top speed of 198 miles per hour. The GTR Pro gets coil-over suspension setup that is mechanically adjustable, and a carbon fiber torsion bar at the front of the car joins a steel unit at the rear, is providing additional tuning capabilities. Spherical bearings are said to be more wear resistant, while also cutting out any play that could affect toe-in and camber. A rear stiffening structure of a carbon fiber further contributes to the car's rigidity. Ceramic composite brakes come standard. All these modifications equal additional performance at the racetrack. To highlight its achievements, Mercedes-AMG racing driver Mauro Engel recorded a 7-minute, 4-second, and 632 thousandths of a second lap of the Nürburgring North Loop. Alright, let's watch the unveiling now. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and thumbs up if you like the video.
Please welcome Tobias Merz, Chairman of the Board of Management of Mercedes-AMG.
So, good morning. Hello, everybody. There you have it, the GT Coupe and Roadster facelift and the all-new GTR Pro. Let me say it straight away, this car will not dance for you, and you can bet I won't either. Instead, we are sticking to what we are good at, developing cars that provide outstanding driving performance, just like the new Mercedes-AMG GT R PRO. It is the latest addition to our ever-growing AMG family and the highlight of the series update you are about to see today. We've been very successful with the GT nameplate, which we launched 4 years ago. Since then, the GT family has expanded to no less than 13 individual members, conquering a large part of its market segment. Since the introduction of the first AMG GT, the US has become the most successful market for our GT Coupe and GT Roadster worldwide. And this family now includes our new GT 4-door Coupe, a car tailored towards US buyers in particular. We can promise things will heat up even more in 2019. Here's one big reason why: the all-new GTR Pro. This car is closer to motorsport than any other AMG series production car. This is because we drew on the competence gained from our GT3 and GT4 race cars, including all we've learned across many successful custom racing programs. In a nutshell, the GTR Pro makes you feel like a race car driver. To achieve this, the car has been enhanced with lightweight components, a new suspension related to the GT4 with extensive adjustment options, and further improved aerodynamics. Just to give you an example, with the GTR Pro, you get the active aerodynamic profile in the underbody and air panel from the AMG GTR. However, the adjustable rear wing is now fitted with an additional gurney flap, which increases downforce on the rear axle. Other improvements, like a new front skirt with a larger front splitter and additional flicks, help reduce lift on the front axle and make it even more precise. All these results in remarkably faster lap times, shown by our recent achievement on the Nürburgring Nordschleife. Just 2 weeks ago, Maro Engel broke our previous record lap set last year by 7 whole seconds. And because the GT R Pro is a very special car, we will produce a limited number of them. For GT fans in general, we have some great alternatives. Because the enhancements to the GT line don't, of course, just end with that one. All versions of the GT Roadster and Coupe receive an update for the 2020 model year. So you can see what's new here on our GT Coupe. On the outside, for example, new LED headlamps ensure optimum illumination of the road. They give the car an even sportier look than before. The new model-specific tailpipe trim also underlines the relationship to the four-door coupe. Highlights on the inside are the updated steering wheel, the all-digital instrument display, and the larger multimedia display in the center console. The instrument cluster can be set to 3 distinct display styles: Classic, Sport, and the well-known AMG Super Sport mode. Our GT family also gets a technology update across the board. All models now feature the integrated AMG Dynamics control system. This system predicts how the car will react in all types of situations, leading to increased agility and stability. And since even the quickest drivers have to maneuver slowly on occasion, we now offer a parking package with Parktronic, including front and rear cameras. Ladies and gentlemen, our growing GT family has become a significant part of our overall lineup. However, we have many more performance and sports cars available, and we are committed to expanding our offerings so that even more new customers can get in touch with our brand. But as you can see, we will always stay true to our Born on the Racetrack DNA. Thank you very much for being with us here today, and Dietmar, please join me on stage.
Good.